everyone, welcome to Works for Tools channel. I'm Eric. Today we're talking about Milwaukee warranty, specifically the 3/8 gun that I had to get fixed and how easy it is to warranty it. I've used this quite a bit, I've had it for a while, and I'm not easy on tools. It says it's got 250 foot-pounds of torque, so should be able to take off wheels, and it does, and I've actually taken a couple truck wheels off, but I think that was a little much for it. It started sounding pretty bad, and then it got to the point where it wouldn't even tighten. Though I stopped taking off wheels with it because I figured that was too much on it. It wouldn't tighten anymore, so I had to get it warrantied. Now I looked on the internet and I was trying to find how to do it, and it was trying to lead me to places that you could take it to get checked. Home Depot wanted $20 to look at it, and then they would send it out to get warrantied if it was under warranty, so I didn't go that route. So I contacted Milwaukee on the Instagram, and they gave me a link which I'll put in the definition or the description below, so that if you have a tool you need a warranty, you can be able to send it to them. You go on there and you sign up, or on their website you make an account. It's all free, and then you just put in what the tool is, what's wrong with it, and they even have a packing slip that you can print out when you're all done to be able to send it in for free. And they asked for like proof of purchase and everything. Though I forgot to put mine in, they got phone numbers and they got your email and everything. They can get a hold of you if they need information, which I didn't get, and nobody called me or got a hold of me. They just showed on my emails that it was received, it was being evaluated, and then it was being fixed, and then it was shipped. So that's the only contact I had with them. So it was pretty easy. It did take a little bit of time. I didn't keep track. It was a good couple, 3 weeks. It took a little while, but it got warrantied, and that was pretty cool. So I appreciate that. I do like the tools. This has been pretty good. It's pretty handy. I have a couple of other ones. The 3/8 extended reach fuel. This one's pretty nice. Works pretty good. Use it a lot. And the 1/4 inch regular, it's the regular style, it's not the fuel, and then of course it's not the extended reach impact. Both of them work pretty good. Now they're not super strong for taking things loose, and I've noticed that I'm a little worried about pulling too much on it, though I imagine they can take some abuse. This one's certainly taken some abuse, you can probably see. I'm not easy on them, so they don't get pampered. This one's not as rough looking, but this one certainly gets beat up. And then of course, the 3/8 zippy is kind of rough. So I will show the invoice that shows what they fixed. So here's the invoice showing that it got sent to him and what they replaced, and that it down at the bottom there shows there was no cost. So that was the invoice showing what was repaired and that it didn't cost anything. So I do like the tools. They seem to work pretty good. This one is pretty cool, but it's not real heavy duty, so if you want to do something heavier duty on it, you might need to get a bigger gun. And I do have the bigger one that I didn't bring to show on this one, maybe another time. The 3/8 and the 1/4 inch impact ratchets work pretty good. Like I said, they're not meant to necessarily break big things loose, but they're certainly good for getting it off quick and putting it back on quick. So hopefully this video was helpful to you on if you needed to warranty something on the Milwaukee products. And thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.